In this video, I am going to teach you how to sync your contacts on LinkedIn so you can easily connect with people you already know. This feature makes it simpler to grow your professional network. Make sure your LinkedIn app is updated before starting. Let's get started. First, click your profile at the top left corner. This will open your LinkedIn menu. Next, in the options, choose Settings at the bottom. You'll be taken to LinkedIn's Settings dashboard. Then, choose Account Preferences from the list. This section controls how your account behaves and stores data. Now, scroll down and click Sync Contacts. Here you can control which contacts LinkedIn can access. Next, click Manage All Synced Sources at the top. This will show the platforms and accounts you can sync from. Lastly, choose Contacts. LinkedIn will now start syncing them to help you find and connect with people. And that's how you sync contacts on LinkedIn. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tech guides. See you next time!